So I just downloaded the 5.7 preview of Unreal just to get my hands on this nanite foliage that I've been looking forward for so long. So to get like a sense of scale, like as if I were playing this game, I just wanted to kind of run around and get a feel for it. So we have obviously no collisions or anything on any of the trees right now, but like looking up and just feeling the kind of the leaves and everything, I'm amazed. And like I was the one running around here, so I don't know how it comes across when you're looking through a mobile phone or whatever, but it's still a game. It's janky. It's very not realistic when you get up close, but you have to remember it's not cinematic, but it's for a game. And as we can see here, we have some stuttering going on. It's looking really, really good though. I've never seen this in a game before. And I played around with the light a little bit to just see how it would react in how much time. And it's looking great. So yeah, I'm super impressed. Especially like all the shadows you can see from other branches and so on top of other branches. And you can also see like the light going through some of the leaves. And I bet you can crank that up as well. I haven't tried that. If we play around with the new wind system and kind of try out different settings, we can really see how we can push the system. So now I'm changing the wind strength. Yeah, well, we can really see how to kind of get the storm going, but you can also push it and break it basically. It seems like the trees really want to roll as well. So if I were to implement this into a game, I would obviously want to maybe control that roll a bit and reduce the weight of that. And I'm sure we can do that in a shader or something. They also included a system, and I think I've seen this in the Megascan trees. So I think these are the Megascan trees. Write me if I'm wrong. They have like a season input. So I bet we can, for our custom vegetation, and also implement this into the system and maybe extend it. But it's looking great and it feels great, even though it's kind of jagged and stuttery at times, especially higher up. But I don't think, honestly, compared to other games, we'll even notice that or think of that. So for making custom foliage, we only have the 4 skeletons right now. And I've seen one guy in a forum post somewhere that actually figured out how to export the USD files with the correct metadata. So he could actually build his own skeletons with the correct metadata and import everything by looking into the source code. And this was before 5.7. I've also added some good links in the description, like this USD UE format, support import workflow, whatever. And also this blog post or ArtStation post. I think I saw it somewhere else, but I think this is the same guy. So basically he explains the entire workflow, and I think we can do this in Blender or some other DCC as well, Maya or whatever. It's important just to have the format in USDA or USDC, and he explains all the nodes and Solaris and so on. I don't think it's that hard. He made some custom Python script. It's not too complicated. So yeah, I'll link this down below as well. They also remade some of the PCG inner workings to make this PCG nanite system, foliage system work, which is great because now it can run independently on the GPU and it's more optimized and so on. And we have also seen like the GPU optimizations we got from grass and so on in 5.6 with the HLSL implementation. So great all around. I'm very pleased. It's a bit janky, but games are janky. And yeah, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching.